Callie from Calendar Squad, and today I'm with Anna.
And today, what are we doing?
We're going to be opening up a bunch of balloons.
Yeah, so we got some Zuru bunch of balloons, self-sealing party balloons. So it comes with a electric party pump, self-serving party balloons, self-sealing, and fast fill hose adapters. All right, so here's the machine that we'll be using. Boom, boom, boom. And there's the balloons. All right, so let's show how the balloons work, Callie.
One fell.
Okay, so you have to... have to set the baby. I'll do this part. Okay, so this part right here. So this part goes right in here. All right, so let's see how it works. We've not tried this yet.
So I press this.
So you press that for 40 seconds.
How do you stop it?
Just like that.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Like that, how big can they go?
I don't know. It's supposed to be 40 seconds.
Oh, I didn't count.
I know you weren't counting.
I think it's been like 30.
Okay, let's try 10 more. All right.
Oh my gosh.
So we're gonna fill these up. We'll be right back because I think we got something special. It's gonna be a little surprise. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Alright, so we got the balloons out, and we're going to have a Nerf battle. So it's going to be a one-on-one, me versus Callie.
Yep.
So we got these Nerf disruptors.
Yep.
So why did you pick it up, Callie? Okay, remember, if you see anything suspicious, to tell us.
So you go like this? Oh, I guess it's already.
Yeah.
And then I can shoot
So you can shoot my balloon. Okay,
oh,
so every time she hits my balloon, she's going to take 1 point from me. We have 4 balloons on, so there's 4 balloons on Callie, 4 balloons on me.
And there's a lot of Nerf bullets.
And there's all kinds of Nerf bullets around. So we're going to have a classic little one-on-one Fortnite style Battle Royale. What's that? Oh yeah, and there's also another, blaster down there that we can use. All right, so Callie's, we're going to take safety. Callie's going to be wearing her mask because we don't want a dart going in our eye or hitting her face. All right, so we're going to count to 10.
That one, I get this one?
I have this one right here.
Oh, okay.
So there's the Nerf disruptor. So it's pretty cool. So so the back, you have to cock it all the way back before you shoot it, before you shoot the dart, and then it's locked and loaded, and that would have been a point.
Yep.
All right, so Callie, we're gonna give 5 seconds. You can run anywhere around the yard.
Okay.
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 So we're gonna start right now. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, guys. Remember, if you see anything suspicious, to tell us. Okay. So I'm gonna have my blaster. I'm gonna have my blaster right here. Gonna go after Callie. So let's see. I think that's 10, right? All right. So if there was more of us, I think we could have probably did something like a battle royale. Whoa! 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 What is going on? Okay. Hey, Callie.
Yeah?
Okay. Project Zorgo's here. No, hold on. I think the game has just changed, okay? It's now a 2-on-1 versus Project Zorgo. Okay? So the technician's here. We have to go after him, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh my gosh. He came out behind. Did you see him, guys? Okay, let's see. Oh!
I got it, but I didn't get.
No balloon though. Okay. Oh!
Did I get it?
Good shot. Oh!
Did I get him?
Oh, yeah, I heard balloon. I heard it's 1-1. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, got him. Oh, I missed. So close. Oh, I see balloon. I see balloon. Okay. Let's see. He's right behind that. Oh! I hope I have. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh! Oh, he got you. He got you. Back up, Callie. Back up, Callie. Back up. That was close. Okay guys, we're going after Project Zorgo right here. He's here, right here. And oh my gosh. Oh, almost got him. Okay. Oh.
Oh, it's not working.
Oh no.
It's not working.
Oh, I got him! I got him! I got him! I got him! Yes, I got him! Okay, I don't have any more bullets,
got
guys.
him.
Oh! I just got shot! Friendly fire!
Oh, I don't have any.
Hey, Kelly!
Yeah?
Get cover! Get cover! Get cover! Get cover! Don't! Oh no! Oh no! I'm in trouble! Oh! Oh! I got him! I got him! I got him!
You got him 2 times.
Oh! Oh! He got me! Okay, guys.
Go get him.
This is it. We're going to take him out once and for all.
Mommy.
If this isn't spy ninja training at the best, this is it. Okay, where is he? There he is.
It's not working.
Got him. Okay, see? Got him.
Huh?
Got him. Come here. Come here.
Look.
You have the wrong bullet in.
Oh,
You have to do the, these ones.
okay.
Oh no! Oh no! Okay, Callie, let's go. Let's get him. Oh no! It's a battle. Oh, you got him! You got him! You got him! You got him! Oh no! He's leaving! He's leaving! He's leaving! Oh my gosh! Oh, but look at this, guys. He left. He left his Nerf gun. And look at this. It's a Nerf Fortnite. Shh. Oh, this is an awesome blaster that he just left us. We're going to keep this as evidence. Oh my gosh, guys. Hey, Callie. I can't believe that we just had a Nerf battle with the Technician.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was good. That was some good training. I think this is going to do us well in the future. All right, we're going to go maybe take a look and see if we can find him. Do you see him out there?
No.
I don't know. He just took off. So I think when you hit him the last time, we won.
Yeah.
So we did win. We beat Project Zorgo. All right, so remember to subscribe to the Cali Jordan Squad. Hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Smash that thumbs up button. Comment down below whether you like this Nerf battle. And until next time,
Bye.
peace out.